guys, I am in London. This is actually my second day in London. Well, technically third day, but we came in on Friday night. We came straight to the Marriott Hotel in Canary Wharf and literally didn't end up doing much because we reached the hotel, I believe, at like maybe 8 p.m. and we just had dinner and then called it a night. And then the next day, which was yesterday, I actually had plans to go see Tanvi, which is I think I mentioned it here on my channel before, but she is a content creator as well, influencer in England, and I've been chatting with her for some time now, maybe a year and a half, and we thought it would be a great idea to just catch up and shoot some content together. So that's what we did. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. That's basically all I did yesterday. And I shot my own content. We had dinner last night and now we are checking out of this hotel. We are going to stay one night at another hotel. It wasn't part of the plan because we were meant to be in France, but yeah, we're moving to another hotel now, so we're checking out. It's about 11:30 a.m. I've gotten myself ready for the day, literally outfit repeating this entire Euro trip now. Only one more day to go. We have a few plans today. We want to go to Piccadilly Circus and we want to check out maybe Oxford Street as well. I don't know if that's next to each other, I have no idea. We are then gonna grab lunch there, head to dinner tonight at a Chinese restaurant. I'll take you guys along with me, and then tomorrow is our final day in London. But yeah, we are headed out now. Everything's all packed, ready to go, and let's go. So very quickly, let me show you what I'm wearing. This is the best I can do in this hotel. This is the only full-length mirror available. So I'm wearing this, what am I wearing? This bodysuit from Zara. I am wearing this skirt, which you guys have seen me wear before. It's from H&M. It's amazing. This blazer, because it is freezing here in London. It's about 20 degrees, I think, and the highest it'll go is like 23 or 24, which is still pretty cold for Australian standards. And then wearing this blazer from Forecast, my Apple Watch, Axel Arigatos. Oh my god, these have like literally gone through so much wear and tear here. They are so dirty. I tried cleaning them in Rome. But yeah, I still have to probably professionally get them cleaned. And yeah, I'm so puffed out. Let's go. We are just checking out the streets of London. We have Ravi with me. What do you have in your hand? He got Macca's.
We got a McFlurry. It was like with Maltesers. So good.
Yeah, so unhealthy. I didn't get anything from Macca's.
Oh shit, she got apple pie. It's a load of crap.
Who do you guys
Apple
believe?
pie.
Who do you believe?
Me.
No. So yeah, it's a very quiet street because it is a bank holiday weekend. This is usually, I think this is called Bank, where all the banks are. It's pretty original, if you ask me. A red bus in the back. Ravi's walking away because he's camera shy, as usual. He doesn't want to walk with me. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep walking around. I think we're gonna go to Sky Garden now as well and see what that's all about because people said it's really good. To be honest, it's a very dead day here in London. Sunday, I don't think anything's really opened as well. But I'm excited for dinner. We have dinner reservations, so yeah. We're coming across another Pret store. We've noticed there's so many of these Pret stores around, and we tried it out for breakfast this morning, as you guys saw. It was really nice actually. Highly recommend it. There's lots of these. So this is Pret Amanja, and then there's Pret, and then there's Veggie Pret. So yeah, we are just walking down the streets. It's very quiet. I love it. Look what it is, guys. It's not a red phone booth, it's a black one. I actually haven't seen this, so this is very, very exciting for me. I've seen a red one, but not a black one. It's cool. Probably won't touch it because it's like dirty. Probably have to sanitize it before we go in. You want to go in? Okay. I'm gonna take a photo here. Let's see how it goes. We are headed out to dinner. I've just woken up from a nap, so tired. And we are headed now to dinner. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing pants because it's very cold in London. I'm actually quite like freezing. I've got a turtleneck on. I've got a blazer on. Some people might think I'm crazy, but it's only 20 degrees and that's pretty cold. So yeah, we're headed out now. So let's go. I think this is the River Thames. We're just walking past it. We're trying to walk to our hotel. Sorry, not our hotel, our dinner spot. That's the Shard, I believe. So yeah, we're just walking to our place. It's about 50 minutes. We're not going to obviously walk all of it. We'll see how we go. But I just thought we'll get some steps in because, you know, it's good to get some exercise in as well because I was sleeping all afternoon. As we get tired, we will obviously stop and then catch a taxi. But I thought we'll try and walk majority of the way there. I'm actually feeling really hot in this skivvy thing that I'm wearing in my blazer. I thought it was going to be really cold, but yes, it is cold. But I think I'm just working up a sweat now that I'm walking. Ravi's in front of me. I gotta go catch up to him. But we've been walking for about 20 minutes now, I would say. We actually bumped into someone actually approached us, and
what a fangirl moment, man.
And it was actually really nice because he was one of my subscribers or has been following my channel and the travel vlogs, and he said that he really enjoyed them. And in the beginning, obviously I didn't know what was going on, but he was really nice about it. So if you're watching, thank you so much, appreciate it. But yeah, we're just walking. Literally there's no footpath now.
Okay, we have to go the other side.
Oh, the footpath just ended. Okay. The thing I love about London is, honestly, I think these kinds of buildings, I really appreciate white aesthetic, and just look at the architecture as well. I think it's something that we don't have in Australia. So I really like how much effort and thought has been put into the architecture. It's really nice. So yeah, almost there, guys. We've been walking for like 45 minutes now. Almost
it's been a good walk though.
It has been a good walk. I really enjoyed it. We are planning on catching a e-scooter on the way back home, because Ravi doesn't want to walk this 50-minute walk again. And it's so hard to get an Uber here. Everyone keeps cancelling on us. It's actually so hard.
I think it's also a long weekend here, so everyone's sort of busy taking time off.
Yeah, it's just London is so busy with tourists, people traveling. It's chaotic. But yeah, we're almost at our dinner spot. I don't think I mentioned where we're going. We're going to Marla. I actually went there last time with one of the UK girls, or two of the UK girls that live here as well. So yeah, let's eat some nice food. Hey guys, we finished up with dinner and we literally just got 2 e-scooters and scooted all the way home. So walking there took us about 50 minutes. And driving would have taken about 13, but it took us maybe 15 minutes to get back home. And it was definitely also cheaper than getting an Uber or a taxi combined, because we got our separate scooters. So that was a lot of fun. I think this is definitely going to be something I miss in like Europe and in the UK, because in Australia we're not actually allowed to have scooters. It's actually been banned. So this is our last scooting session, maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow.
But it's just way too much fun.
Yeah, it's really good. I'm actually freezing because we had to go obviously in the cold. And I like how there's like designated areas, you feel safe. So yeah, we're just walking. We parked our scooter in the designated area. We're just walking back to our hotel now. And I'm gonna get myself cozy, comfortable, have a shop, have a hot shower, have some green tea.
We've been watching Breaking Bad. What are we on now? Season 2,
episode 7 now.
Yeah, nice.
So yeah, really enjoying Breaking Bad.
Have you guys watched it?
Yeah, have you guys watched it? Comment down below, because that's what I'm gonna do right now when I get home. Good morning, everyone. It is our final day in London. Do you want to show what you're doing? It's like 10:30 in the morning and you're eating chocolate. And he's finished the whole bag by himself. Yes, you have. 10:30 a.m. Okay, so where was I? It's our final day in London. We are going to check out because we want to go to the Sky Garden. We don't have tickets. We're going to wing it, stand in the line, see what happens. If not, all good. We're going to go to Disham for lunch after that. And then maybe when we return, we can check out Sky Garden then, if there's availability. So that is the plan for today. Check out Piccadilly Circus, because we didn't do that yesterday. And I'm actually on the hunt to find everything bagel seasoning. It's not available in Australia, so I want to see if it's available here. I have heard it's available, I just don't know where it is. I've checked out Tesco. I've checked out Tesco, Sainsbury and Waitrose, and they don't have it, so I don't know where to look. But yeah, we're gonna go now. In 2 minutes time, check out. It's about a 15-minute walk to Sky Garden. I'm so excited to go home, guys. I'm so excited. I'm actually so excited. I know this trip was like amazing, but I'm just so tired and I don't want to live out of a suitcase anymore. I'm done with doing that. I'm excited to get back into routine, get back into work. I'm excited to work on my health and fitness, see my friends, see my family, and just get back to normal life. I think I'm such a homebody. As much as I love, you know, traveling, I don't think I'm gonna do another 5.5 week trip ever. I won't say ever because it might happen, I don't know, but it's not my preference. I would like to travel, say about 3 weeks maximum at a time, because I just miss my routine so much. Like, yeah, I feel like this trip was way too long.
Also makes a difference because you're not, like, you're working for yourself, right?
Oh yeah, that does make a difference. As in, you're saying if I was working 9 to 5, I wouldn't want to go back to work?
Well, you could work a 9 to 5 and like it, but if you didn't like your job, then you wouldn't want to go back.
True, true. Yeah.
I finished the bag.
Finished the bag. Good. At least we don't have to carry that on our luggage, so that's good. I'm glad you finished it. But yeah, so excited to go back. Our sleep schedule is going to be really off schedule, because coming here we had to try and stay up you know, an extra few hours, but now we have to try and go to sleep, and we're not going to be sleepy when we go back, so that's going to be interesting. So our flight is tonight at 10 p.m. We will arrive in Sydney on Wednesday 6 a.m. We like literally lose a day and a half because of traveling and time difference, so that's fun for us. But yeah, lots planned. I'm gonna take you guys along, and we hopefully plan to do some scooting as well. I think we're gonna scoot to Dishoom. Yeah, I'm excited.
That's why I need the energies.
Okay, bye. This is my airport look for the night. I'm going to be wearing this for the rest of the day while we're out as well, so I don't have to change later. But I've got my sneakers, I've got these pants from H&M, wearing this crop top from Bardot, blazer as usual, like yesterday, was from Forecast, and my Peta and Jane bag. And yeah, I'm gonna have to remove my makeup at the airport sometime because I want to sleep, so yeah. Ready to go. Suitcases are all packed. Bye. Wow, we've left it like so messy. Okay, so we'll get Hi guys, literally 25 or 26 hours later, we are finally in Sydney. As you can tell, got bags under my eyes, tried to get some sleep, but you know, jet lag, time differences and whatnot. We are finally back home in Sydney. I'm so happy. Oh, literally, it just feels so good to be back home, and we can finally start our routine. We've actually just come back from a very quick grocery shop. Oh, I wasn't going to take it out, but you're taking it out. That's so sweet. But I wasn't going to show everything. But I might as well show you everything now that we got.
100%.
So this is our very quick grocery shop just to get us through the next couple of days before we do the big one. I've got some chicken tenders that I'm going to make some wraps with. I have some wrap bread here. I've got lettuce, cucumber, tomato. We have some goodies because we're starting our diet next week. Might as well just keep going. You know, we've got like 5 days, so eat as much as we want. So we've got popcorn, pods. I think this is Robbie's favorite. I've never seen him eat this, but apparently it's his favorite. Tina wafers. I have got some Oreo ice cream. Ever since going to Europe, they didn't have cookies and cream ice cream in a lot of places, so I opted for Oreo and I loved it. I have some sauce for my my wraps, oat milk, Ruby's milk, toothpaste, and yeah, this is just what's gonna keep us going for the next couple of days. Also, I got banana. I'm gonna make a protein smoothie now because I'm hungry. And yeah, essentially the plan for today is to unpack everything from our suitcase, wash everything. I want to go get my nails done. I want to do my eyebrows. I'm actually going to oil my hair as well. So I'm going to actually oil my hair now and keep that in for the next couple of hours, and then do some things around the house. And then I also want to sign up to the gym as well. My apartment actually has a gym here, but it's very limited in terms of the equipment that they've got, so I am going to sign up to the gym today. I think they've got like a 4-week free offer as well, so I'm really excited. Ravi and I, as I said in my last vlog, I believe, we are going to get jacked. So I'm very excited for that. That's why we're eating the junk food today. We have some friends coming over tonight, which I'm excited for. We're gonna have some KFC, and let's hope we can stay up because I think I'm gonna have to sleep in the afternoon a little bit, but let's see how we go. Let's go. Hello guys, I have showered finally. I had some oil treatment in my hair for like the last 5-6 hours. Showered, got into some comfy clothes. I am now headed to the gym. Sorry, I'm not headed to the gym, wow. I am now headed to get my nails done, sign up to the gym, and you may be able to hear, but I've got a load of washing. I've got like 3 loads that I gotta get through. I plan to come back and have a little bit of a nap. I don't know if you guys can see, but my eyes are really red, so tired. I'm trying the method of coming back and having a little sleep for about an hour, and Ravi is not, so he's gonna stay up all night, well, until it's bedtime, and see who does it better and who survives.
I will.
Okay, let's ignore what just was said in the background. Okay, bye. Hello everyone, it's actually a couple of days later since I have returned from Europe. It's Friday. We returned on Wednesday morning, and oh my god, let me tell you, like, jet lag has honestly been so hard. It's just been so annoying. My routine is all out of whack. I'm sleeping in the afternoons and sleeping at night as well, and yeah, it's just really annoying, but hopefully I get into a bit of a routine before Monday, because I want to get started back into work, back into my routine and schedule. So today's Friday night. I am a little bit dressed up because I am headed out to a friend's farewell party in the city, so I'm very excited for that. It's going to be a big night, and then I've got like a few things planned over the weekend as well. I have a very exciting announcement coming in the next couple of maybe days or weeks, I don't know, but yeah, stay tuned for that. I know you guys will really enjoy it, but I thought I'd just close off this vlog. Really nothing has been happening. I've just been cleaning the house, getting everything in order, putting my clothes away, doing the washing. I had to do like literally 4 loads of washing for myself, and then like Ravi's obviously got to do his one as well, so a lot of just cleaning and tidying up. But yeah, so good to be back, and I really hope you guys enjoyed all of the Europe vlogs. I am going to be shortly, over the next couple of weeks, sharing some content in relation to Europe, so make sure you follow me over on by Sanjna on both my TikTok and my Instagram, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Thanks guys.